Just couldn't save any from me, could you? Been a while since I gotta take old Sophie out for a spin. Are you ready to get to it?
Layout matches what Naval Intelligence provided, confirming a route to the ship's command center.
If that nav data has what we need, we can finally strike back at these bastards.
Oni seemed confident.
We keep quiet and play our cards right, we'll be in, out, and back by dinner.
You're always hungry.
Damn right I am.
Any way to speed this up?
Until we find a way to cram an AI into that suit of yours, it's the best option we got. And done. You ready?
Always.
Keep it up. Position here, Chief. Quiet if I know it. Special.
hunters. Concentrate fire on their exposed areas. Fire at will. You call that quiet?
Dead folks are quiet, Chief. And now they're dead. Oni's pocket hacker should suppress their internal alerts. For now, at least. What?
I'll take point. Cover me.
Sophie wants to say a few words. Make your way to the other side, Chief.
Acknowledged. Position.
Saw this on the orientation vid. Split Lips training room. We've got company! Go!
Contacts on tracker.
Stealth elites!
Mind the gap, Chief.
Give me a sec.
We're good. Let's hustle.
Ever seen anything like this before, Chief?
Negative. This wasn't in the Oni brief.
Guns up! What do you think all this is for?
Nothing good.
Something really weird about all this. What do you think these are? Trophies?
Unlikely. They look more like experiments.
That's even worse. That's our exit. I'll get it cracked open. This place gives me the creeps.
Resting, but ready. Target acquired!
What the hell is all this? Well, I'll be damned.
What's a prophet doing here?
Beats me. Hey, Waddles! Didn't think your kind got out that much.
Hold your fire, my children. Have you enjoyed your stay so far, Demon? Had you and your companion given word of your arrival, I would have arranged a tour.
I think we've seen enough already.
Are you not impressed with our work here? I would have thought you, of all creatures, would appreciate such steadfast dedication to improvement.
Is that what you call it?
I call it many things, Demon. Here you can observe the true beauty of the Covenant. Our collective strength a reflection of each member's devotion. The tenacity of the Ungoi. The cleverness of the Kigyar. The Sangheili. Long our partners since the Writ of Union, the burning edge of the Covenant's blade. And the Jiralhane. What they lack in mind, they make up for in muscle. But under our guidance, my guidance, their rage can be controlled, reshaped. Are you no different, Demon?
Okay, Mr. Monologue. Sorry to interrupt, but we're on the clock. A lot of angry aliens in our way. What's the plan?
We shoot them.
Nice and settled.
Bigger, meaner, uglier, but not bulletproof. All right.
Unseal the chambers, now!
We've got company.
All right.
Shish. Not sure?
That seemed to be the last of them, Chief.
For now.
This one's even ugly.
Reposition it.
Got plenty more for you.
We got alien bastards in our house.
Good shot. Got plenty more for you.
Moving to a new firing position.
Ooh. Those grunts are having a bit too much fun at our expense, Chief. Ah, hey! All bad guys.
Blasphemous round, done! Round two.
Keep it up. Where's that bastard?
Cover me. Look!
Searching for the hidden heresy. They have me trapped. Need support. Need captain.
I'll have this lift up and running in no time. Hostiles ahead!
These are the instruments of your demise, forged through my divine insight.
Target me.
More bad Hey! Looks like this party's getting started. All right. All right.
Let us find your limit.
We get back to the mission. You picking this up, Sergeant Major?
Sure am, Chief. What's your read?
UNSC BattleNet telemetry. Just ahead.
That doesn't seem right. What could it be?
A trap.
Exactly. No way to be sure.
There's a way.
But our objective is that way.
If UNSC soldiers are being held captive, we need to find out.
I'm in. Let's move. Out of the frying pan and into whatever the hell this place is cooking with.
UNSC signal is stronger here.
Then it looks like we're on the right track. Let's move out. I got your back, Chief.
Ekumapiki. Japan Pupu.
Well, that doesn't look friendly.